Oh crap. Afternoon everyone. Hope everyone's having a good day. Today I just wanted to talk about matching ambient light with your, or between your background and your foreground. So when you're making a composite, what you want to do is make it as realistic as possible, and the best way to do that is to match I guess the color tone of your background with your foreground. And there's a very simple process which I found just recently, just randomly watching videos. But yeah, it was massively helpful. So it's something I've kind of been trying out in some of the things I've been doing. So yeah, I've got a spaceman and a city background, and what I'm going to try and do is try to match them. So all I have is a couple of adjustment layers, if that works. One of them is just a solid color. That's not yeah, it's a solid color. All I've done is made it 50% gray. There's probably other ways you can make 50% gray, but yeah, I've just used the color picker and solid color and changed it to 50%. Doesn't have to be exact, but obviously it helps. And then the other thing is a hue and saturation, and all I've done is turn the saturation all the way up. So that's what it ends up looking like. Then after that, I'm just gonna add a selective color adjustment layer and clip it. Christ. Clip it to the spaceman. And the objective here is just to match the most dominant color in the background to what is in the object. So you kind of got this light blue color as the most dominant color here. So what you want to do is try and get, well, I guess as much as the spaceman as possible to match that color. What would really help is knowing color theory. I've looked it up plenty of times, but I just forget. So I'm literally just going to mess around with the sliders and hope it works out. Cool. So yeah, I was just messing around. I don't know if I fast forwarded it or not, but hopefully you can see a difference between the original and what I've done. So I feel like this one matches kind of the scene it's in much better than the original without the selective color. Obviously there's a lot more you can do to be able to make it seem like it's actually in the picture and not just like floating. There's obviously lots of lighting and shadows that are not quite matching. But yeah, this is a good starting point. Because here it's kind of got like a yellow tint to it. Whereas here it kind of feels a bit more blue and a bit more cold and like it's in the actual background image. So yeah, that was a very simple tip, but I find it massively helpful. Something I'm trying to use more in any composites I'm using. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks.